all day. Gonna make $1 million, son, that someday. You know I'm in the rhythm when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck is all that even mean? Seems like we're scared if I was just perceived. But let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Bitch, verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fuck around town right now.
What is up, everybody? It is your boy Skittle Fabs, and today we have an unboxing. These are my new struts to my caliber's hatch. For you guys to see in these clips right here, I have a hard time opening my hatch to my caliber because my struts ended up crapping out on me about 1.5 years ago, and since then I've been propping it up like that with a floor jack bar, and that's how I've been holding it up to get my tools and whatnot. So today I have unboxing for you guys. I bought these for $19 and some change on eBay. They came like a few days later, so I will leave that in the description below for you guys if you guys are interested and you guys have this same issue. Look at this. It just doesn't stay open. It's supposed to just go up by itself and whatnot, and my dogs are trying to get out. Alright, so like I said, I need a jack bar to hold up my rear hatch. What I do is I usually put the end of the bar right there, and then the end of the bar right at that notch in the hatch, and then it stays up. But that's why I went ahead and ordered the struts off eBay. But it's really simple to go ahead and remove these. All you do is take a flathead and you put it right into these notches, and those clips should fall off and it should pop off. Alright, before I get into the install, I want to go ahead and open my Maxpow rear hatch struts. Comes with directions. They look pretty nice. I can't even push them in. Oh my god. So that's awesome. The holes are actually greased from the factory, so you don't have to worry about them drying up. So that's one of them. And got the other one. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take a flathead, wherever I put that flathead, right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my screwdriver right here in this notch and slowly pop that off, and you'll get a clip like this. And then you have another one right down on the bottom, so we're going to know how to take that one off. Now that we got both clips off, we're going to place those somewhere we're gonna lose them, and we're gonna go ahead and just pull them off, and they should just pop off. This one, I don't know, they're factory stabilis. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right on there. There we go. Go ahead and turn, find that hole, lift your trunk up, go ahead and pop that on. You can leave the clips on there and they just go ahead and pop on. You see how it's already given some compression? That's awesome. So we're going to go ahead and go to the other side, prop this up, the bar. So the same thing you did on the other side, you're going to do here. Go ahead and pop it in that notch. That should pop off. You guys can see this one has no compression, so I'm assuming this one is the reason that this hatch is not staying up. So go ahead and put your screwdriver in this notch. There we go. Take my new one. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lift the trunk hatch on the hole. Pop on. I am so pumped to say that I have actually made this video. I've been stalling on making you guys a video on how to install these. These struts have been sitting in my closet for the past month and a half so far, and I got around to it today. I made you guys a video how to install your rear struts to your Caliber and your Caliber SRT4. So if you guys are interested in these struts, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you guys can go ahead and quick link Maxpow. Yeah, go ahead and do it. So, by the way, an update, I did return my Caliber thermostat manifold to North Olmsted, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, all that in Ohio, and I'm pumped to say that they gave me a full refund, so shout out to them. Thank you. There it is, you guys. My Caliber hatch. Oh my god, so much pressure. Look at this. Ready? It opens by itself. Jeez! Smash the like button, you guys. Be easy. Stay tuned.
I ain't from the hood, but I've got bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking.